You guys overhauling anything? This guy always is. And that's coming right up. Well, we're at the 2017 Auto Mechanica, and with me is Chip Foose, and we're in the 3M booth. And Chip, why this? Why do you use this particular sander in your shop?
Well, Jim, 3M and Festool, they collaborated together to create the total automotive sanding system. And what's amazing about this is I'll show you inside, it is a vacuum system as well as the air pressure system. So the air pressure is what operates the sanding tool. The vacuum, what it's doing is it's actually vacuuming the sanding dust away from the job. So the sandpaper itself is lasting longer and longer and longer. So you're keeping the job clean, you're keeping your shop clean, you're keeping the sandpaper clean, and yourself as well. It's phenomenal. You know, it's one of those things that once you start to use it, you're like, why didn't they do this a long time ago? Because it makes total sense.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. We can see the holes in the sandpaper and then the backing plate itself. I mean, this is kind of like a no-brainer.
So the sandpaper doesn't load up like it normally does if you don't have that vacuum system pulling all of that sanding dust away.
Right.
Keeps it cleaner, makes the job is cleaner, your shop is cleaner, everything. And, I absolutely love it. Like I say, it's this type of product that, it makes sense as soon as you see it and as soon as you use it, because you're thinking, why didn't they do this a long time ago? Because it's amazing how much time you end up spending keeping your shop clean. When you got sanding dust going and settling on everything, now you don't have that.
Yeah, that's a real good point. And I was kind of wondering about that. So why would you use a thing like that in your shop? And you just answered that question, right? I mean, you got so many cool things in your shop. You don't want the dust settling all over everything.
Well, even more so than that is because your sandpaper is lasting longer by getting all that sanding grit out from underneath it and vacuuming it up into the system. Well, it lasts longer. And sandpaper is expensive, so the money saving is tremendous.
You're really good at this.
Well, thank you. I've been doing it a long time, but 3M has been a great partner for Foose Design as well as Overhaulin, and it's a pleasure to be here at Auto Mechanica.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys, you got to check this out. You're going to be really glad you did.